Ever wondered why your grandma insisted on that spoonful of castor oil? Let's dive into its surprising benefits before bedtime. Welcome to Healthy Secrets. Get ready to unlock the power of natural remedies and discover how this age-old elixir can transform your nights and mornings. Stay tuned as we uncover the top 10 unexpected impacts of using castor oil before sleep. Kicking off our list at number 10, we have a benefit that's often overlooked but incredibly impactful sleep quality enhancement. Now you might be thinking, castor oil and sleep, how are they even connected? Well, while it doesn't directly knock you out like a sleeping pill, castor oil works its magic subtly. It promotes relaxation and eases tension, which are crucial for a peaceful slumber. Think about it. When your body is relaxed, your mind can follow suit, allowing you to drift off easier and wake up feeling more refreshed. And who doesn't want that? So if you're struggling with occasional sleeplessness or just want to enhance your sleep quality naturally, incorporating castor oil into your bedtime routine might be the gentle nudge your body needs. Coming in at number 9 is a benefit that'll have you waking up with a glow overnight skin health boost. That's right, castor oil isn't just for your grandma's medicine cabinet anymore. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a natural fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. These properties can work wonders for your skin while you sleep. Think about it. You spend all night with your face on the pillow, potentially trapping dirt and oil in your pores. But applying a small amount of castor oil can help create a protective barrier, keeping those impurities at bay and allowing your skin to breathe and regenerate overnight. And the best part? You wake up with a complexion that's softer, smoother, and more radiant. Who needs expensive night creams when you have castor oil? Sliding into number 8, we're tackling those pesky aches and pains with castor oil's incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Now, inflammation is a natural response to injury or irritation, but chronic inflammation can wreak havoc on your body. That's where castor oil swoops in to save the day. Remember the ricinoleic acid we talked about earlier? Well, it's a potent anti-inflammatory agent that can help reduce swelling and pain throughout the body. Applying castor oil topically to sore muscles and joints before bed can work wonders while you sleep. It's like a soothing massage that continues to work its magic throughout the night. So if you're dealing with arthritis, muscle soreness, or any kind of chronic pain, castor oil might be your new best friend for a more comfortable and pain-free sleep. At number 7, we're addressing a topic close to many hearts' hair growth: stimulation. Yes, you heard that right. Castor oil isn't just good for your skin and joints, it can also work wonders for your hair. And no, we're not talking about magically sprouting new hair follicles overnight. But castor oil can create an optimal environment for healthy hair growth. Its ricinoleic acid, along with other nutrients, can nourish the scalp, strengthen hair follicles, and reduce inflammation that might be hindering hair growth. Massaging a small amount of castor oil into your scalp before bed can promote circulation, deliver those nutrients directly to your hair roots, and potentially lead to thicker, stronger, and healthier looking hair over time. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your hair game, castor oil might be the answer you've been searching for. Landing at number 6, we're diving into the fascinating world of castor oil's antimicrobial effects. Now, we're constantly exposed to bacteria, fungi, and other microbes throughout the day. Most of them are harmless, but some can cause infections, especially if you have cuts, scrapes, or skin conditions. That's where castor oil's antimicrobial properties come in handy. It acts as a natural disinfectant, creating a hostile environment for those unwanted microbes. Applying a small amount of castor oil to minor wounds or skin infections before bed can help prevent infection, promote healing, and reduce the risk of scarring. It's like having a little guardian angel watching over your skin while you sleep. But remember, for serious wounds or infections, it's always best to consult a healthcare professional. Coming in strong at number 5, we're talking about something crucial for overall health: detoxification aid. Now, our bodies are incredibly efficient at removing toxins naturally, but sometimes they can use a little extra support, especially with the increasing number of environmental pollutants and processed foods we're exposed to. Castor oil can play a supporting role in this process. It's believed to have a mild laxative effect, which can help cleanse the colon and promote regular bowel movements. Additionally, castor oil packs, which involve applying a warm castor oil-soaked cloth to the abdomen, are thought to stimulate lymphatic drainage, further aiding in detoxification. While more research is needed in this area, incorporating castor oil into your routine might be a gentle way to support your body's natural detoxification processes. At number 4, we're focusing on a system that's often overlooked but plays a vital role in our immune health: lymphatic circulation improvement. Now, unlike the circulatory system, which has the heart to pump blood, the lymphatic system relies on our body's movement to circulate lymph fluid, which carries away waste products and toxins. And guess what can give your lymphatic system a helping hand? You got it, castor oil. Applying castor oil topically, particularly in the abdominal area where lymph nodes are concentrated, is believed to stimulate lymphatic flow. This gentle massage-like action can help flush out toxins, reduce inflammation, and boost immune function. It's like giving your lymphatic system a mini workout while you sleep. Coming in at number 3, we're tackling those pesky aches and pains head-on with muscle pain relief. Whether it's from an intense workout, a long day at work, or just everyday stress, muscle pain can really put a damper on your day and night. But fear not, castor oil is here to the rescue. Remember those potent anti-inflammatory properties we talked about earlier? They're not just for internal inflammation. They work wonders on sore muscles too. Massaging warm castor oil into sore muscles before bed can help reduce inflammation, ease tension, and promote relaxation. It's like a warm hug for your muscles, allowing them to recover and repair overnight. So, if you're looking for a natural way to soothe those aches and pains, castor oil might be your new best friend for a more comfortable and restful sleep. Landing smoothly at number 2, we're diving into the often overlooked world of digestive health benefits. Now, we all know that gut health is crucial for overall well-being. It's linked to everything from our immune system to our mental health. And while castor oil might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you think of gut health, it can actually play a beneficial role. Castor oil has a long history of use as a natural laxative. It works by stimulating bowel movements, which can be helpful for those experiencing occasional constipation. However, it's important to note that castor oil should be used sparingly for this purpose, as excessive use can lead to dehydration and electrolyte imbalance. Always consult with a healthcare professional before using castor oil for constipation or any other health concerns. And finally, the moment you've all been waiting for, the number 1 most surprising benefit of using castor oil before bed is stress reduction and mood enhancement. That's right, this humble oil isn't just good for your physical health. It can also work wonders for your mental well-being. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth does castor oil impact my mood? Well, it all comes down to its incredible relaxing and grounding properties. Think about it. When you're stressed, your body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing hormones like cortisol that can keep you on edge. Castor oil, with its soothing and grounding energy, can help counteract these effects. Massaging warm castor oil onto your feet or abdomen before bed can create a sense of calm and relaxation, easing tension and promoting a more peaceful state of mind. And when your mind is at ease, you're more likely to fall asleep faster, sleep more soundly, and wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So, if you're looking for a natural way to unwind after a long day and promote a more positive mood, castor oil might be the missing piece in your self-care routine. There you have it, the top 10 unexpected benefits of using castor oil before bed. Who knew this age-old remedy had so many hidden talents? Don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Secrets, activate notifications, and check out the links below for more healthy life tips. Loved learning about castor oil. Share this video with friends and family and spread the wellness. Keep exploring, stay healthy, and see you in the next video.